Annelids used different organs for locomotion. Earthworm uses setae. Nereis uses parapodia. Leech uses suckers. Now let us see what the term setae means. Setae are structures resembling a hair or a bristle. Parapodia are lateral outgrowths or protrusions from the body. Suckers are flat or concave organs enabling animals to cling to the surface by suction. Number 6, Phylum Arthropoda. Example, spider, scorpion, centipede. Now let us study the characteristics of the phylum Arthropoda. These animals have jointed appendages. Appendages are body parts that may extend from a body segment. Hence, they are called as arthropods. Planet Earth has highest number of animals from this phylum. Hence, this is the largest phylum with highly successful animals in animal kingdom. These animals are found in all types of habitats, ranging from the deepest ocean to the highest mountains. Bodies of these animals is triploblastic, that is, their body is made up of 3 germ layers: endoderm, ectoderm and mesoderm. They are eucolomates, that is, body cavity is formed from mesoderm or gut. They are bilaterally symmetrical, meaning only one imaginary axis of body produces 2 equal halves, and they are segmented. They have an exoskeleton which is chitinous all around their body. Now, exoskeleton is an external skeleton that supports and protects the animal body. Chitin is a large structural polysaccharide made from chains of modified glucose. These animals are unisexual, that is, male and female sexes are separate. Phylum 7, Mollusca. Example, snail, octopus, bivalve. We will now study the characteristics of the phylum Mollusca. The body of these animals is soft and slimy. Slimy meaning slippery. Hence, they are referred to as mollusk. This is the second largest phylum in the animal kingdom. These animals are aquatic, that is, live in water, or terrestrial, live on land. Most of the aquatic mollusks are marine, that is, they live in the sea, but a few of them are freshwater dwellers, that is, they are found in ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, or groundwater. Body of these animals is triploblastic, that is, their body is made up of 3 germ layers: endoderm, ectoderm and mesoderm. They are eucolomates, that is, their body cavity is formed from the mesoderm or gut. Their body is not segmented, that is, without segments, and soft. Except for snail, their body shows bilateral symmetry, that is, only one imaginary axis of the body produces 2 equal halves. Their body is divided into 3 divisions: the head, the foot and the visceral mass. Now, visceral mass contains heart, digestive system, excretory system, and the reproductive system. Visceral mass is covered with a mantle. Mantle is a body wall which protects the internal organs. It is made up of calcium. This shell, which is the mantle, may be external as in the case of a snail, or internal as in the case of cuttlefish, or even absent in some cases as in the case of the octopus. These animals are unisexual, meaning male and female sexes are separate. Phylum 8, Echinodarmata. Example, sea urchin, starfish, and sea cucumber. Let us now study the characteristics of the phylum Echinodarmata. Calcareous spines are present on the body of these animals, hence they are called as echinoderms. Calcareous spines are made of calcium and they are pointed, needle-shaped structures present on the dermis of the body. They are brittle. These animals are found only in oceans. Their body is triploblastic, that is, their body is made up of 3 germ layers: endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. They are eucolomates, meaning the body cavity is made from mesoderm or gut. And it has radial symmetry in adult stage, meaning the body can be divided into 2 equal halves by any plane of body passing through the central axis. However, they show bilateral symmetry, meaning only one axis of the body produces 2 equal halves in larval stage, that is the stage before it metamorphosizes into an adult. They perform locomotion, that is, they move from one place to the other with the help of tube feet. Tube feet are small tube-like projections on the undersurface of their body. Tube feet also help in capturing the prey, meaning they pass the food into the mouth, which is located at the center. Some animals are sedentary, that is, they are fixed to the substratum and cannot move from one place to the other. They have a skeleton which is made of calcium in the form of spines externally and an exoskeleton, that is internally, made up of plates which are called ossicles. Now these ossicles or plates are beneath the skin. They provide rigidity and protection to the organisms. These animals have a good ability of regeneration, that is, regrowth of a damaged or missing part. These animals are mostly unisexual, meaning male and female sexes are separate.